The defense lost the handle, stolen by Lalata, and a pass break now. Glorio, kinaliwa, what a move! And here's Team Adasen, attacks, kinaltagan, reverse layup, bullseye, Tiger, drives, goes inside, di pass, oh, sinausaw! The sauce by number 8, and a pass break, inside pass, let's, oh! Lumip. Welcome to Abra Intertown, Solid North Basketball. Yellow team basketball, Luba number 10. And si Bayan pass to number 20 against number 7 Badili. Pass to the wings to the baseline. Pass on the baseline, pull up jumper, first blood. Backdoor inbound here. And here's Team Adasen, attacks, kinaldagan, reverse layup, bullseye, Tiger. Here comes Oreo. Pass to the wings. Here's number 27 to the baseline. Cross pass, corner, fakes, drives, goes inside, di pass, oh, sinausaw! The sauce by number, and here's Baldo. Baldo at the top, he passes to Carino, to Badili, number 26, drives, goes to the hoops, basket and one! Luba, number 27, he passes to number 8, Lalata. Lalata to number 27, launches on three, bang! Nah! Bounce pass to Oreo, behind the back dribble to inside pass, Lalata, pinasa pa, the extra pass and the fin. And here's the attacks, number 10, oh, no, libre din use. Handle stolen by Lalata, and a pass break now, binit-bit ni Oreo, kinaliwa, what a move! Chanza. Passes to pass back. Kahansa spins, pass to Mahinay, reverse pass, and here's Balaza, pass to Lalata, inside pass, the value of the lap pass, here's Chahanza goes inside, side step lace, bucket, Chahanza, close the mid lane, Kahansa, pass to the wings, but Baldo, kakaldag, corner pass for 3, short, rebound Baldo, pinasa Mahinay, ang lakas, Mahinay pa rin, the second chance by Parado, ay Baldo, the floater, bucket, Baldo, and here's Team Luba, Balanza to Lalata for 3, bang, and here's number 10, Unagan, pass to Lalata, to Unagan, free throw area, bullseye. Kahansa to Baldo, attack to the baseline, pull up J of the window, bucket, line, fast, rebound, Lalata tinapboard, short, tinignan pa yung ring. And it's Baldolis, bucket, at the buzzer. Badili, pass to Baldo, cross pass, Carino, inside pass, and recover, pull up jumper, won't go, ito Mahinay, hook shot, bucket, Mahinay. Comes number 20, Oreo, he passes to the middle, Lalata, to the wings, pull up jumper, bullseye, the net, and looking for receiver now, inside pass, Baldo, bucket, inbound again for Team Adasen, Baldo ulit, off the glass, bucket, off the, Oreo, he pass to 27, pass to Oreo, to the middle, and Lalata attacks, lace off the window, basket and one, Lalata. Oreo with the ball, pass to number 10, to number 27, spin, recover, corner 3, short, rebound Lalata, oh, grabe yun, and Badili, pass to Baldo with the ball, pass to number 26, Mahinay, cross pass, open sa 3, attacks, pull up J, bucket, Badili, and here's Lalata, attacks, against Carino, pass inside, fires Oreo, basket and one. Oreo cross the mid lane, pass to number 10, left alone, lumapit konti, bullseye, Badili, Badili goes to the middle. Stop to Carino. Carino to Baldo. Baldo goes inside, side step the floater. Bakit Baldo? Carino drives, goes inside, lumipad. Bakit Carino? Out, picks. Side step. Pinabitin. Basket of the glass at baseball pass. Ayun na nauna si... Here's number 20, Oreo. Goes to the middle. Attacks against the hoop. And the rebound. Pass break ngayon. Badili. Halio pass. Bakit? Baldo. And Oreo. Oreo stops. Inside pass. Pull up J. Bullseye. Carino. Pass to Baldo to the middle. Picks. And Badili for 3. Won't go short. Tips in. Bakit? Baldo again. Backdoor inbound for Team Luba. And number 24 Kakaldag. Pinabutin sa loob. Bakit? Pamintuan. Attacks. Corner pass. And Badili. Inside pass. Pamintuan. Oh, ang laki mo talaga. Badili. Goes to the screen. Pass to Pamintuan, inside pass. Ben, bakit? Number 24 to the corner. Natapikan. And recover. Inside pass. Oh, block rejected. Pamintuan. And the pass. And inside pass. Bakit? And here's Lalata attacks. Fires. Uy! Uy! Unagan. Inside pass libre. Easy to! And the 10 seconds. Baldo with the ball. Baldo crossover. Attacks to the middle. The pull-up jumper. In and out. Baseball pass. And that's the end of Mintuan for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Kicks out. Badili. Baldo fires at 3. Won't go. And a pass break. Inside pass. Lace. Oh! And here's Badili. Badili. Pamintuan. Kahansa. Kahansa for 3. Na good. And here pass break again. Limipad na naman. Bakit? Kahansa. Pass to Pamintuan. Inside pass. Mahinay. Posting up. Far so pinasa. Picks. Hana. Basket and 1. Mata. Pass to number 20. Corner. Attacks. Open. Easy. Baseball pass. Baldo. Against. Oh! Oh! Behind the back. What the move? Pass to Kahansa. Pass back Badili. Badili drives. Pull up jumper at the free throw area. No good. Rebound, Estrada, kicks out. Kahansa, pull up J. Bullseye, Kahansa. Pass break. Badili. Lumipad, bakit? Open shot, Badili. Backdoor inbound. Left alone, si Bayan for 3. Bang! Badili, pass to Baldo. Sasagot, na good. Rebound Badili. Inside pass Mahinay. Oh, sinulat na naman Mahinay. And here's Talata to Galanza. Side step falling away. Short. Rebound pa rin. And the pass. Ball is stolen. Pass break ngayon. Oh, Mahinay all alone. Pininta yung Karja. And sabay tinira. And he pass. Pass back. Pinabitin. Oreo. Reverse layup. Bakit? Badili, he pass, corner 3, no good. And rebound Badili, pull up J, no good. Rebound pa rin. It's Baldo, wala pa rin. Oh, ang alat, kicks out pa rin, isa pa. It's corner, open na naman. Bakit? And 2 points lead. And Kakaldag inside, pass reverse na short. And Kahansa, pass to Baldo. Pass to the corner ulit. Badili ulit. Semi-spot. No result. And a pass. Wala. For the tie. Tie game by Baldo. And we are tied at 56. Badili. High pass. Baldo. Pull up. Pinasa sa loob. Big transfer. Na traveling. Uy! Di makapaniwala si Idol. Na traveling. And the pass. Pass back. Lalata. Picks. Reverse layup short. Baldo. Baldo drives. Goes inside. Picks. Natapikan. Stolen. Baseball pass. And ito na Lalata. Dinakdak! Oh, bakit? Lalata. Carino. Ipas. Badili. The floater. Won't go. Rebound. Number 10. Unagan. Stops. Pass to Sibayan. Unagan. Pass. Fires at 3. Short. And if Oreo pass to 24. To Oreo. Pass to Galanza. Galanza pass inside. Pinabitin pa. Bakit? Badili. 3-point lead for team Luba. Badili. Pass to Baldo. Badili for 3. Not good. Rebound. Sibayan. Sibayan against 3. And pass. And fires. Oreo in the finish. Baldo now. Baldo. Attacks his spins. Picks. He fires. Estrada for the backdoor inbound. High pass. Ball is stolen. Pass break ngayon. Oreo. Lace. Yes sir. Oreo. Billy. Bounce pass. Natapikan. Recover. Pass ito. Baldo. Attacks. Pull up J. Bakit? Baldo. And number 24. Sidestep. Inside pass. Floater. Bakit? Sibayan. And stop for 3. Bang! Galanza! To 4-point lead. Oreo. Galanza to Oreo. Oreo pass to the middle. Pull up G. Not good. Rebound. Pass to Galanza. And a pass. Baldo. Pull up J. Bucket of the glass. Baldo. Number 20. Oreo. Galanza to 20. Oreo. Oreo. Sibayan. To the middle, Oreo attacks, lost the handle. Backdoor inbound for Team Luba. 24 for 3. Bang! Dane! Back to 5-point leads. And here's Galaza. Lost the handle. Recover. Goes to the middle. Pull up, pinasa sa loob. Natapikan, stolen. And Oreo lays bucket. Oreo. Pintuan. Stops for 3. Bam! Pamintuan! Hanza. Cross the mid lane. Kahanza. Pass to Baldo. Bounce pass. Mahinay. Mahinay drives. Bump. Fires. In. 72-68 last throw bucket down to 3 minutes and 10 seconds on the final quarter. 24 pass back to the wings, corner, Sibayan open for 3, bang! 5-69, 6-point lead for Team Luba. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Badili, high pass, fire for 3, 1 go, rebound, Pamintuan, recover by Mahinay. Pamintuan picks, 1 bounce for 3. Very good, rebound. Fires, bucket of the glass. Baldo. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. He passed, number 24, side step, fires. Oop, may foul. 75-71, first throw, wala. Last 1 minute and 6 seconds. Still won't go. Oh, lost the ball, oy! Grabe. Kicks out. Lalata. Pass to Oreo. Pass to Unagan. Lalata. Unagan. Picks. Stop. Bounce. Oreo. Oop. Oop. Badili. 47 seconds. Badili picks. Drives. Pull up J at the free throw area. Bullseye. Down to 2. 36. Number 24 yard. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass. And here's and pounds. Oh, pistolen. And here's Baldo. Lalolis. Basket and one. Woo! Talunan sila doon. 75 all. 20.7 for the lead. Short. And rebound Yellow, Luba, lost the handle. And back, bounce. Liz, bakit? For the lead! And 15 seconds left on the final quarter. Ball possession for Luba. Pass to the middle. Gadasen. Galanza. Seconds to play. Pass to Lalata. Attacks. Fires. So strong. Put back. Tie game! 3.4 seconds tie game. Pamintuan for the inbound. Looking for receiver. Corner pass. Galanza. Oh! Overtime. Oh, and the pass. Lalata attacks. Fires too strong. And the pass break ngayon. One-on-one. Spins. Picks. Reverse layup for the lead. Pass. Attacks. Reverse layup. Baldo again. 4 points. Pupunas ng sapatos si Oreo. Oreo goes inside. Create space. Spins. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Bakit? Lalata. 70. Change favor tayo. Lamang ngayon ang Adasen. Asa. Stops. Pass to the wings. Bounce pass. To the middle picks. Pull up J. Won't go. Up. Hands po. Hook pass. Lalata drives. Inside fires. Lalata. First on the free throw. Bakit? Last on the free throw. Lalata. Bakit again? Down to 1 point lead. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Baldo, inside pass. And fires, fouls, basket, and one! Mahinay! 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Ito number 24 na naman. Block. Reverse. Layup. Bakit? Dili. Pass to Baldo. Last 2 minutes. Badili. Pamintuan picks. Pamintuan inside pass. Libre. Easy to. Good. And the 3-point lead. Corner for the tie. Bang! Tie game! 1 minute and 30 seconds. Badili to Baldo. Badili. Pamintuan picks. Goes inside. Kick corner. Pull up J of the glass. Bakit? And here's Oreo. First throw. Wow, good. Second free throw. 1 minute, 17 seconds. Bakit? Down to 1 point lead. Badili. Pass to Chahansa. Di distansya. He pass. Pamintuan. Grass. Corner. Kicks out. Chahansa for 3. Bang! And he pass. Picks. Galanza. Kicks out. Attack side step. Corner. Open for 3. Na good. Pamintuan. Hansa. Seconds to play. Kahansa. .30 on the game clock. 4 seconds to shoot. Attack Kahansa. Kicks out. Open for 3. Very good. Rebound. Yellow. Uy. First on the free throw. Bakit? 19.9 seconds left. And rebound. Mahinay. On the free throw area. First throw. No short. And the last throw. No good. Rebound. First free throw. Bakit? 90-87. 15.5 seconds. No good. Uy. 14.5 seconds. Carino. No good. Oop. Natumba si Idol dun ah. And the pass. Inararo. Pinasa. Nalibre. Too strong. Short. Oh. Same ball. 5.5 seconds left. And 3-point lead. Kicks out. He dribble. Lost the handle. Pass. 10 for 3. Not good. Sayang. Pang